Hello friends, I just wanted to show you a quick video of a Chrome extension I built to improve the default PlotARoute experience. Here you can see I'm editing a route, I have a trace here and so on. I'm looking at ordnance survey maps, but in the upper right here you'll see that the coordinates of my cursor are shown in latitude and longitude. Not very useful if you're using OS maps in the UK. So if we flip over to a Chrome extension I built, so PlatARoute Companion, and then we add that to Chrome. Quickly add this extension. Okay, that's now been installed, and then we go back to our route, and then we refresh the window here. Hopefully, we will now see in the upper right corner here, we now see OS grid ref coordinates. So that's pretty nice. Now how do we use it? Well, of course, I could actually manually transcribe those, but if I actually hover over a specific point that I want, for example, this accommodation here, and I hit the Enter key, and then I hit paste in another window, those coordinates automatically go to the clipboard. Lastly, the other feature we actually added was the ability to prevent you from inadvertently missing changes. So for example, I have changes made here. You can see that I just did some random clicks. If I now try and close the window, I now get a prompt warning me that actually there are pending changes here. So that's it.